Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I'm going to be talking to y'all about the 50/50 vacuum insulated stainless steel bottle. As you can see, I've definitely decked this out with some little stickers that I got recently. I actually just got this bottle recently from a friend who just kind of had a bunch of them and really love this thing. You know, it's basically, your big vacuum sealed bottle. Great for camping, great for big outdoor adventures. At this point, it is one of the biggest I have, but it's just a really great all-around thing. I mean, there are many companies that make these kinds of bottles, and this 50/50 one is actually pretty solid. So I want to talk about, what I love about it the most. So this is, as you can see, the 40-ounce version. They do make them in quite a few different sizes. I think there's 34 ounce, the next smallest one, 20 something ounce. I don't know, it keeps going down and down. This is one of the bigger ones, so really it's great for super long trips. I just took like a 4-weekend trip out to the desert pretty recently for work, and brought this thing out there, and it was solid. Really, really loved it, and it was enough to kind of last me for a few days. It was filled all the way up. The wide mouth makes it extremely easy to clean. I'll see if I can get the top off really quick so y'all can see. So as you can see, it's got a pretty wide mouth right there. And it makes it really easy to clean, really easy to fill up with things. You can easily stick large ice cubes in here without worry. One thing I will say is it's not really great for one-handed drinking. So cyclists, beware. It's a little difficult to kind of get this thing off. Then also to be drinking this while you're riding a bike or doing anything like running or whatever, the wide mouth makes it really not so great for that sort of thing. As for the actual ice retention, this stuff can keep it cold all day. Also works to keep things hot, though I never really use it for that. But if you're looking to keep things icy, it's great. And that's, it all has to do with the vacuum insulated, thick walls. You have the tightly sealed cap that you put on the top. It stays really, really nice and cool. Because it's so big, it's not really something that you're probably going to be plopping in a bag, most likely. You're probably going to be carrying this with you in your hand throughout the day. Cool thing is, because the cap is shaped the way it is, you can easily lock or clip a carabiner to it and attach it to a backpack, attach it to your hip, whatever. Also, as you can see, the way that the handle is designed, it's perfect. It's almost like a little pair of brass knuckles. Perfectly designed so you can grip it and carry it around very, very easily and very comfortably as well. But that was just, kind of give you a good grip, so you don't have to kind of hold it like this all day, because that could put some strain on your hand, especially because it's so wide. So it's nice being able to kind of just pick it up and carry it around by the handle like so. They do come in a pretty wide array of colors. This one is obviously like a forest green sort of thing. I really like this one. It matched a lot of camping gear that I have, which I dig. It also is just like this very natural color that is pretty inconspicuous when you're outdoors. I go up to the woods a lot. Even when you're in the desert, having something that's like a very natural color helps to blend in. So if you're around animals that you may not want to, get into your stuff, something like this is a bit helpful. It is made of an 18/8 stainless steel. One thing you should know on the inside. So the cool thing is about that, and by the way, that's pretty typical for these kinds of products. If you don't see 18/8 stainless steel, I don't really know. I don't think I've ever gotten something that isn't made with that. That's one of these. It's pretty typical. It doesn't leave a taste or odor when you're using it, which is really nice. Especially when it's water, you don't want it to taste like steel or taste like metal. That's always really gross. At that point, something's off, something's wrong. Also, it doesn't sweat like other bottles. So even if it's filled with really ice cold water, it's not going to seep through the sides. Meaning you could stick this thing in a bag or whatever, or have it around other gear, and it's not going to sweat out and get the other gear wet. That's something you don't really have to worry about, which is awesome. Other than that, if you're looking for a good vacuum insulated bottle, I would highly recommend this one. Again, this is the 50/50, and check it out, you guys. Alright, take it easy.